In this video, I will show you how to use your Reach RX receiver together with the 3Dsurvey side scan app to do RTK Videogrammetry. To do this, we will need the Reach RX receiver, the mounting bracket, we will need an Emlid base station, we will also need the Ntrip Lefebure application together with the 3Dsurvey side scan app. We will start by setting up our base so that it sends corrections using Emlid Caster. Once this is done, we will then proceed to also connect and set up Ntrip Lefebure so that it receives those corrections via Ntrip Caster. This will be the corrections that the Reach RX will then receive, which will enable us to scan with the 3Dsurvey side scan app with RTK-fixed solutions. Let's connect to our base. I will open the Emlid Flow app. On Emlid Flow, we'll connect to our base. Once connected to our base, we'll go to base output 1. And then just make sure that on base output 1, this is set to Ntrip and it's using the Emlid Caster profile that we have chosen. This is done. We also have to make sure that developer mode is on the phone that we are using. Once this is done, we have to choose the Ntrip Lefebure app as the mock location application. Let's now open this app and configure receiver settings, then configure Ntrip RTK settings. We'll open the Ntrip client app, then select the setting icon on the top right, then select receiver settings. For your receiver settings, make sure that your settings are as they appear on the screen. Let's now go to the Ntrip settings. Under Ntrip settings, configure your Ntrip settings as they match your Caster profile or your Ntrip profile. Once this is done, you can now select Connect. We are now connected to the RX and we have a fixed solution. We can leave this app running on the background and we can now proceed to the 3Dsurvey side scan application. On the 3Dsurvey side scan app, you can now see your horizontal accuracy and your vertical accuracy. Let's now create a new project. We'll do this by selecting the edit pen. Then select on Create New Project and input a project name. Once you have keyed in your project name, select Confirm. The next step will be to start recording and conduct RTK Videogrammetry. The main thing when scanning is to walk slowly and not to make any repetitive movements. This is how you scan with the RX and the 3Dsurvey side scan application. Keep an eye out for part 2 where we post-process the data.